For easy loading of websites, like any advertisements or banners, that,
Mm-hmm. That is nothing but the
and it's
cookies.
gonna, and also like personalization could be.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Has been performed with the cookies, right? Uh, have you
Or
all of you have experienced with the cookies? Probably yes. Yes, no?
No, ma'am,
Huh?
not.
yes,
No? Yeah, yeah. Indirectly in your website, you send a personalizations. You are setting your cookies most of the times, directly or indirectly. You save your password, right? You save your आपके जो habits रहते हैं या the where you are मतलब you can say it is not explicitly said by you, but it may be said by the third party also, right? So let's see what exactly the cookies and how the cookies are maintained and how the cookie sessions are has been created. Fine. So what is a cookie? Cookies is nothing but it's a simple text file रहता है. It's a piece of information, a piece of data, right? Which is stored on your computer as soon as you logged in into the networking. Okay, as soon as you log in into the networks, your cookies are stored, and all of we have experienced it with the help of our email account, maybe your Facebook profile. Your you know you if you logged in into the same machines, sometimes you don't need to give your username also. The password is saved, right? And even you do the shopping cart, your all your login informations are
this,
saved, and as per your
if
yes, as per your
right,
login shopping habits, you automatically you get all the informations related to your liking and liking, right? These are nothing but it's a part of a cookies task. So this is nothing but a small text or a small piece of information which is stored on your computer as soon as you logged in into the systems, right? So it indicate me ये तीनों statements क्या बताते हैं कि it's stored on the client browser, right? But when you logged into the systems, that means it is generated from the server end. It is generated from the server end, right? And generated information is again sent back to the client for the storage informations. Agree? I will repeat. Cookies are stored at the client end. Okay. But as soon as you logged in, it indicate me it is generated by your server, and server send this information to the client, and client stored this information on their local storage. Fine. So what is this is a cookie. Cookie is a text file and so on. A data stored in the cookie is created by the server upon your connection, right? And the data is labeled with your unique ID to you on your computers, right? So when the cookie exchange between the computers and network, server read your ID informations. Server read your ID informations and recollect the previous informations from your machines. Okay. So similar way shopping cart की आपकी previous जो informations क्या है, they start recollecting it, and then as per the requirement you will get all the list as per your choice. Fine. So every browser read that मतलब ये unique ID कैसे create होता है? So it is read always, or it basically read होने के पहले मैं बोलती हूँ the server generate in terms of name value pairs. Every cookies will be generated with the help of name value pair. That means every cookies will have a name and will have a value with respect to that. Name is a username, and whatever the username is anaga.vaidya@sisr.ac.in may be the value. Fine. The password is a name, and whatever the value of a password is stored in that cookies, right? This information is stored into the cookies, and for every cookies a server generate a unique identity number, and with the help of that identity number we can identify the cookies. Okay. So क्योंकि अभी someone say personalization, someone say cookies क्यों generate की जाती है? Okay, someone mentioned it is used for the personalization, it is used for easy operations, right? So broadly we can say three are the usage of the cookies usage: session management, personalizations, and tracking. Session management, as we know, cookies website recognized user and recall their individual informations. ओके कंप्लीट जब तक आपका पूरा टास्क नहीं होता है दे कीप ऑन रिकॉग्नाइज दे कीप ऑन मेंटेनिंग दिस इंफॉर्मेशंस. ओके सो individual login information and their preferences, such as they are always watching sports news, political news.
Cookies
हाँ
websites faster. You can
cookies क्या
cookies can help the user to load the website faster.
not faster, no.
The computer.
No, 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 not faster. Why you recognize as a faster? Because your machine automatically read the information. Your user intervention is not there. But performance issue is not at all be increased by the cookies.
Not user
Ma'am,
intervention, but I think
Rather,
is it
it raises a
faster?
security issue. It raises your security issue.
Oh,
Okay, it's
excuse me,
simple
ma'am.
text file. It may be hacked by the hacker. Yes, hackers.
Ma'am, so can we say that cookies let us skip the authentication process?
Authentication process keep नहीं होती है. Generally what happens, authentication मतलब you know again there are बताती हूँ आगे, two types of cookies are there. One cookies मतलब एक जब आपको authorization और authentication करना रहता है वो permanent cookies करके save किया जाता है. So authentication and authorization work, but generally what happens, your cookies is a text file and these hackers जो भी hacker है ना, they can hack your text file very easily. और आपकी कुकीज है ना, बताती हूँ रुको कैसे वो थर्ड पार्टी के हिसाब से वो कैसे पब्लिश होती है और हैकर्स कैसे हैक करते हैं. एक सेकेंड रुको, मैं उसी स्लाइड में आगे हैं. फाइन. So let's come back. Whatever the point he has is very nice. कि how the things are hacked by the person. So session management, personalizations, as I said, कि customer customize your advertising into the main, मतलब you know personal information is maintained by your cookies informations, and the next is called as a tracking informations, right? Okay, so before I proceed, just a overview or block diagrams about how the cookies are created. So first, when you get it into the website, a request is generated from your website. Okay, request is generated. Submit button होने के बाद the request is submitted by your to the server, and when the website server replies to you, it which will send some informations along with your request, right? Some information along with your request. So it sends the cookies along with your request, and that cookies is set it into your hard drive. Okay, that is set it in your hard drive. And when you get again online onto the machines, your machine send the cookies information back to the server. Okay, and then server read the information and it proceed further. Fine. Now come back to our इनका जो क्वेश्चंस था और इनका जो भी डिस्कशन चल रहा था कि ऑथेंटिकेशन ऑथराइजेशंस के लिए सेफ है नहीं है, व्हाई इट इज सो डेंजरस. लेट अस जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. Commonly, or we can say broadly, when we are thinking about the cookies, there are two types of the cookies: first party cookies and the third party cookies. That probably you people are knowing about it. The first party cookies are created by the website when you are currently visited, okay, which save your preferences of the same website. Fine. For example, they have given here, suppose you visit to www.acme.com site के ऊपर आप visit कर चुके हो. So what you do, what the cookies do, cookies save the last shopping cart on their site. Fine. What are the third party cookies? Third party cookies are created by the domain other than one, other than the other than the one that you haven't visited on that site, right? For example, like you have not visited on that site, but third party person created the cookies for it. Means what? Some advertisement websites are there. So whenever you visit that that site, you get that advertisement ka pop-up आता है हमेशा. That pop-up is nothing but it fetch the informations about your computers and set the cookies to them. Okay, set the cookies on your machines. So though you are not visited that advertise के इसमें visit नहीं किया होता है, but sometime it gets stored on your machines, and that type of cookies are called as a third party cookies. Fine. Here I give an example. A user visited to the website called as new.com. Okay. So cookie placed on this domain by new.com is called as a first party cookies. Okay. This is called as a first party cookies. But a cookie placed by any other site such as advertiser or social media site is called as a third party cookies. Right. And these third party cookies, why cookies can be very dangerous? What they said, if when there are some cyber attack can hack your cookies and accessing your browsing sessions, and which access your informations. Okay. First party cookies are directly created by the website for you, so generally they are safe. Fine. But third party cookies are the most मतलब क्या बोलेंगे dangerous part over here, because they are generated by the website that are different from the web page which you are currently surfing on. Okay. And when these third party cookies are there, उसी समय आपके अटैक के चांसेस ज़्यादा रहते हैं और आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन मतलब स्प्रेड ज़्यादा होती है. फाइन. And even they said there are another type of zombie cookies are the third party cookies का एक one type है. In that cookies what happens, if you try to delete that cookies but they are not get deleted, they come again and again. That is it's very difficult to remove from your from your browser part. Such type of cookies, they are calling it as a zombie type of cookies. Fine. And स्पेशली जब थर्ड पार्टी कुकीज जब आते हैं ना, they are specially used by for the analytical analysis or analytical comparisons of a website, right? जनरली क्या होता है, जो एनालिटिक्स कंपनी रहती है ना, वो ये जो डेटा आपका थर्ड पार्टी कुकीज का जो डेटा आता है ना, उनको बेचा जाता है और वहाँ पे वो एनालिटिक्स करके आपका यूजर इंफॉर्मेशन है सब, मतलब नॉट यूजर इंफॉर्मेशन, जो मतलब कंपनी को एनालिटिक्स देना पड़ता है ना, उसके लिए वो हेल्प किया जाता है. एंड दैट इज वाई आपकी पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन इज हैक होती है. इसके लिए उन्होंने बोला कि दैट इज अ कुकीज आर द डेंजरस फॉर द मशीन, राइट. सो ये दोनों टाइप के कुकीज जो है उसको हम टू टाइप से सेट कर सकते हैं. वन इज कॉल्ड एज ए सेशन कुकीज एंड अनदर वन इज कॉल्ड एज ए persistent cookies. Session cookies are used only when you are navigating to your website. Okay. They are what they do, they are stored in the random access memory and are never written to the hard drive, right? That is very important. They are never written on your hard drive. They are only maintained for your session. Okay. So when the session ends, sessions cookie are automatically deleted. Okay. They are automatically deleted. So they also help the back button or third party anonymizer for plugin work. Okay, just keep in mind session cookies are safer. They are created randomly and not stored it into the hard drive. While persistent cookies are exactly opposite. what they do, they remain on your computer infinitely. Okay. They can delete automatically, but you have to set the time, how much time they should be in the machines. आपको उसका time set maximum time करके रहता है, उससे आपको you can set it how many days, how many time, how many years that cookie should be on your machines. Okay, so when the cookies are set with set time options, then it becomes a permanent cookie. Sorry, persistent cookie or indirectly permanent cookie. And they are specially used for the two purpose, authentications and the tracking, right? Authentication में these cookie track whenever user is logged in under what name. Okay, they are also streamline the login information, so user do not have to remember the site password and so on. And as we mentioned, tracking के लिए बोला था, these cookies track the multiple visits of the same site over the time. Okay, some online merchants, for example, use your cookies to track the visit from the particular user, including the pages, product view. The information they gain allow them to suggest other items that might the user interested for. Okay, so gradually a profile is built based on your user browsing session on that site. That is a job of your persistent cookies. Come back to our questions. क्या था आपका कि whether performance issue does the so these basic information about the cookie, so is it increasing your performance of your browsing?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, लेकिन it definitely not increase your performance. आपका user interaction सिर्फ कम होता है, इसके लिए आपको शायद realize होता है कि वो performance increase हुआ है, right? And now it's clear authentication के लिए कैसे use की जाती है. Okay, so these are some basic
hello?
yes, बोलो.
Can
Yes,
you
yes,
hear me?
yes, yes, then
Yes, so it doesn't increase the speed of loading websites, cookies.
no, never. No.
Okay, I thought like, okay, so only
That's why I
like
say कि user
when
intervention is less. That's why you realize that it increase the
only
performance.
the internet
No, only the
feel
purpose
like
of
it's
from the quality aspects, if you are looking at, only the purpose is what? You just store the informations of it, right? That's why I say why the cookies are set by all these people, because of the business analytics उनको चाहिए आपका. That's it. Habit आपकी क्या है, किस तरीके से है, you क्या होगा. तो यू रियलाइज दैट कि आपको सिर्फ मतलब पाइथन कोर्स की कितनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स आती हैं. So who fetch this information? How this fetch this information? Through the cookies only. Okay. Fine. So with this knowledge, some basic knowledge, we will proceed how to generate the cookies, how the servlet generate the cookies, right? And कैसे maintain करना है, किस तरीके से maintain करना है, right? So these are typical examples. Some मतलब there are so many methods. You can go oracle.doc के ऊपर जाओ, आपको methods मिल जाएगी. But these are some methods, prominent methods which are used for the cookie class creations and storage and all other informations, right? एक just quick एक बार देख लो, just देख लो, मैं इसको डिटेल में लिखती हूँ अब सबको. ठीक है. So first constructing the cookies, two methods. Either you construct, default constructor is there, or you can parameterize constructor is there, right? And here we are having, these are the methods. Set maximum age, it integer in expiry, right? How many, it's in second रहता है हमेशा. How many days that cookies is valid. ये permanent cookie set करने के लिए आपको ये set maximum age is method is used to set your permanent cookies, right? So what it do, it set the maximum age of your cookies in the second. The second is what, get name. It returns the name of your cookies. Okay, क्योंकि आपके सर्वलेट को रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए सर्वलेट सेंड दिस आईडी इंफॉर्मेशन. Internally it identify the ID information, but you want to perform certain operations on that cookies. Your operations आपको cookies के ऊपर करना है, मतलब उसमें का डेटा ऐड करना है, सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल डिलीट करना है, कुछ जो भी सेटिंग करना है आपको, तो you should know ना, you should identify that cookies information. So set get name and get values are the methods are used for reading the name of your cookies, reading the values of your cookies, right? Similar way, set name, set values are used to set the values as well as the मतलब name change करने के लिए and values ये करने के लिए you can use these informations. Okay. So how to create it? What are the steps of creation of a cookies? The first steps, cookies are created by using the cookie class present into the web. Cookies class present into the servlet API. Okay. Once you create a cookies, then the next statement should be, it should be get added. Okay. कहाँ पे ऐड करनी है आपको, किसके साथ होगी ऐड, किसके साथ होगी आपकी ऐड, रिस्पॉन्स ऑब्जेक्ट. रिस्पॉन्स ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट. वाई रिस्पॉन्स ऑब्जेक्ट, बिकॉज ये देखो यहाँ पे मैंने यहाँ पे आपको बोला था कैसे रिस्पॉन्स ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ क्यों होना चाहिए. Your server, you send a request, right? That request is read, and when the website server replies, it send the cookies. It send the cookies, right? When website server is replied, it sends the cookie. और हमेशा send request कैसी होती है, HTTP request object. HTTP request object. Fine. That's why we are adding these informations into. We are adding the information of a cookies along with your response object with the add cookies method. Fine. Okay. Now this method send the cookies information over the HTTP response streaming add cookies. Get cookies method is used to access the cookies that are added to the response object. So these are the two method, add cookies and get cookies. Add cookies से आपकी add हो जाएगी response object के साथ, and if you want to read this information of the cookies, you require a method get cookies. Fine. So this is your example. String name, cookies name, whatever the name you want. Then set the values of your cookies. Okay. And create ये constructor आपका create हुआ cookies with name value where. Fine. And once you have created, then response dot add. Response is the object name of your HTTP response object. This is the name of your response object. Response dot add cookie, add and the cookies. ये cookies नाम करके cookie का object name है. Cookies is the object name. User defined object name. You can put anyone. Cook 1, cook 2, जो भी चाहिए वो आप दे सकते हो. That get added at your response object. And this will send appropriate HTTP header to the client, and the browser store the cookie on the user computers. Agree? It stored the information on your user computers. So set, आपकी cookie set हो गई है. Now, ये these are the typical जो भी ये methods बताइए, pictorial representation. Fine. Now you have created a cookies and cookies is get set. Now what? You want to recall that cookies. You want to read the information of that cookies. Fine. How to read it? To read the cookies sent from the browser to your server, you call get cookies method. You call get cookies method on HTTP servlet request object in the Java servlet. Okay, means what? ये देखो यहाँ पे जो लिखा हुआ है ना, cookies request dot get cookies method will read the cookies which are set by your servlet. Okay, now it returns the array. It returns the array. Why it is array? Because there are multiple cookies can be set by the server. Okay, so it is setting all the cookies in a sorry, it said the cookies are when we are adding a cookies get added to the HTTP request object. To read the cookies we are using a method get cookies method. Fine, ये array है. Then to read the array, to read how many cookies are available, so you can read by using your any for loop to read all the cookies. Okay, and cookie dot get name and get value will give you the value of your cookies. Fine. Okay, now if you want to update the cookies, right, existing cookie को आप update करना चाहते हो, तो there is no such method are available. Fine. What you have to do, you have to update add the cookies with the same name will update your cookie information. Fine. How to delete the cookies, that is one of the important part. How to delete the cookies. First part, cookie ck equals to new cookie user and any deleted value of the cookies. Basically you can set the maximum age as a 0, that is a 0 second. Once you have setting it as a 0 second, then it get deleted from your browser end. Fine. Now if the session remain active for the time specified into the tag into the web.xml. आपने web.xml में session 30 आया था. देखो यहाँ पे हमेशा रहता है, जब भी आप चाहते हो ना web.xml में, see this is session time. Okay, so by default it gets 30. So whenever you create a cookies, it will by default it get a time as a 30 minutes. Fine. ये session objects में रहता है. This is active, and if you want to delete it, make it as a 0, so it gets deleted from the list. Fine. So I will give you the demo about the cookies, then you are supposed to write this program. Try to write it down now. Cookies का भी जो भी पढ़ा है हम लोग उसका डेमो देते हैं. डेमो आई विल शो यू द डेमो. एक सेकंड ना, कौन से इसमें किया था. So same program. सेम यूजरनेम और पासवर्ड सेट किया हुआ है. यूजरनेम और पासवर्ड सेट किया हुआ है. So this is a form which read the information about the username and the password. Fine. Username 1 and username password name of the text field, and you are calling after in submissions you are calling a cookies my cookie. ठीक है, तो you this will call this servlet my cookie. What it do? ये प्रोग्राम्स में ऐसे किया हुआ है. इफ पासवर्ड इज इक्वल्स टू हार्ड कोडिंग किया हुआ है. इफ पासवर्ड इक्वल्स टू 1 2 3 4 देन वी आर जनरेटिंग अ कुकीज. 2 कुकीज जनरेट किए हुए, एक यूजर नेम के लिए और एक पासवर्ड के लिए. अग्री? सो when your password is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 then what we are creating a cookies. Cookies create करते समय this is username and the value, name equals to value. Font increase करने की जरूरत है या is it visible to you? Is it visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So this is your cookies with the name CK equals to new cookies and username and name. Okay, and once ये जो create हो गई है cookies, you have to add it into the response object, right? So response dot add cookies are there. Fine. Similar way we are creating another cookies, CK1 नाम की cookies create की हुई है password के लिए, right? So you are taking password and this pass value, ये यहाँ पे आप read कर रहे हैं user name and user password. So value equal to pass, PASS pass, वो value read हो गई है, right? And you send this information to the another servlet that is called as a first servlet. That is called as a first servlet. Okay, तो first servlet क्या कर रहा है? In the first servlet, what we are doing? We are reading the cookies name, right? We are reading the cookies name. So this is the CK1. I can read it like this way: CK1 and CKS1. ये देखो यहाँ पे CK1 और CK से आप directly you can read it. Fine, this is one way of deleting it. Or another way how you can do it, this is your CKS equals to get cookies thing, get cookies request, and by using the for loop you can read your cookie information. Fine, so let's execute the program. See your password name, right? And I'm not giving a proper 1 2 3 submit. Okay, session wrong password यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है सेशंस के लिए my cookies में. If this is 1 2 3 4 5 then it is a, if not then it's a wrong password. Okay, तो करेक्ट पासवर्ड देके हमेशा देखते हैं. So when you do the submissions, it go to the first केस में आपने लिखा था welcome, what it print, username, your password value equal to PASSWD. देखो क्या किया उसने, it go to the first, in what it is printing get name. This is printing the get name of your cookies. What is the name of your cookies? यहाँ पे आपने name क्या set किया था, user name और PASSWD ये सेट किया था, राइट? सो गेट नेम से आपका ये आपका यूजर नेम मिल गया आपको, यूजर नेम एज ए नेम ऑफ योर कुकीज एंड पासवर्ड PASSWD is the password of the second name of your cookies, right? If you want a values of that cookies की वैल्यू क्या वैल्यू है वो आपको प्रिंट करना होगा, तो you have to write a functions get val. Okay, so system.out.println, here I will write it down. वैल्यू के लिए क्या आएगा, गेट वैल फंक्शंस. सो गेट नेम, गेट वैल्यू. ओके, सिमिलर में दिस इज वन गेट वैल्यू, राइट? Fine. देखो, username is the name of your cookies and the value is Anaga. Fine. The password is the name of your cookies and value is 1, 2, 3, 4. So by using getVal functions, you can by using the getVal and getName functions, right? You can set the values and you can put the values over there, right? Okay. And the remaining मतलब you know methods कौन से हैं उसके these are some methods are available, but हम लोग यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं कौन से मेथड है. Set maximum age, set name, set value. Okay, so these are all the you know additional values are available additional methods are associated with the cookies class. Fine. आप set path से उसका ब्राउजर का पाथ भी सेट कर सकते हो. Get secured means return the true if the browser send the cookies only over a secured server. Otherwise, it return a false if browser can send the cookies using any protocols. Like these are the different methods are available. Now, what is your task? See, ये जो हमने add cookies किए थे ना अभी के लिए जो programs किया है उसके ऊपर आपको you have to write it down. You write down menu driven programs for adding a cookies, deleting a cookies and read the cookies. Fine. So when the user press on the add cookies, then what? It has to call this, it has to call cookies.html and perform the operations. ये वाला जो operation है, मतलब call the functions cookies.html. Naturally, it will call to the my cookies Java. Okay, instead of my cookies Java में if ये जो condition लिखी हुई है ना, password should be this one equals to, वो कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You create a servlet where you are storing the password information and you are storing the username का cookies. 2 cookies are saved, and you are after saving this, you will come back again to your main menu, add cookies, delete cookies और read cookies के लिए. Fine. Then the user click on the read cookies options. Then your program, your servlet will read all the cookies which are set by your browser, right? And if the user click on the delete cookies, then delete all the cookies from your browser. That means set the timing to 0. It will immediately delete all the cookies, right? So try to write down this program. Fine. 15 minutes, rather 20 minutes, 11:10 is there. 20 minutes is with you. Please try to write down this program, right? Everyone, please try it out. Okay, 11:30 we will start with HTTP hidden form field. How, with the help of this, how you are creating a session and URL rewriting process. Fine. I will upload these slides. So ये जो methods है that will help you for writing the program. Fine. मैं ये upload करती हूँ. Do you want इसका ये भी चाहिए आप लोगों को? अभी जो मैंने सर्वलेट का अभी जो प्रोग्राम हिडन प्रोग्राम कुकीज का प्रोग्राम्स हैं वो भी अपलोड कर दूं? कर देती हूँ.
Yes.
So please start working on it. Okay, done.